Hello viewers, this video shows all about these AG high efficiency air conditioners turned on. Some have a 3-blade and some have 2-bladed. And you might also on a nice wheel or on a brick. And you can see Lennox or different models like Carrier. A 2-bladed model air conditioner missing with a sticker. There might be some up on high that is difficult to replace to clean all the rust off the cover. There's one on the top of the head that worker air conditioners of experts that can't reach up or climb up those rocks. One that's on. Here comes some Carrier air conditioners It may be hard to see, but there are lots of them down there too. One that's covered in leaves. Also the recent one down there. One that has a bit of leaves on it, but they're not on. Some might be on. One that does not have any leaves on it, but some rust. One that's very nice, but it's a little bit rust on there that needs a little bit cleaning. One that has like a baby rust on it, but blades are okay, but a little bit some markings. One of the blades has a marking on it. Some rusting in the middle, close to the middle. There are more on there that are on. Here comes some perfume, air conditioner, and Armstrong. Two carrier, one air carrier conditioner is on. You can hear hum. One that's off. Looks good, but a little rusty, but it's okay maybe. One under, there might be few more under stairs or standers. Another carrier conditioner that's on. And it's very strong. Very strong. Another carrier conditioner that is off. Another one that has the same sound. And one rust I hope you enjoy the video, and please rate, subscribe, like and dislike, and peace out.